Hot diggity dog.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. A little project going on here. A few years ago we had a tree taken down in the middle of our garden by one of our friends and Jason. And it wasn't really a priority to get rid of the stump. But now, new projects are happening in the garden and Jason says, it's time. While he's doing that, I wanted to go check out the peonies. It bloomed. I need to defrost some blackberries. We have some pesto we can use up too. That's all the tomatoes we have left. Probably enough for another pot of sauce. We are trying to empty the freezer because, the garden is going to be giving us goodies. And we're going to be picking more blackberries in the end of July and August. I always try to reuse whatever bags I can from the food saver, as long as they didn't have meat in them. So here we go, let them defrost and get the dehydrator ready. And it's time to bring out some apples because we have some friends that stop by in the evening. Jason and I call the raccoons the cleanup crew. Cucumbers, cilantro, for the love of the birds. To rehydrate blackberries, all you have to do is add them to water. Our deck has kind of become the work zone. We have a lot of cleaning up to do and fixing of the deck this year. So all our projects are kind of just on the deck right now. Make it all easier. Keep the mess in one spot. So today I'm going to do some sanding with our little DeWalt sander. The DeWalt sander even came with its own little bag. In our barn years ago, we found an old chicken feeder, and I wanted to use it as a herb garden right on the deck. I grabbed some barn wood, and I sanded it down just to see what it would look like. In our last video, you saw Jason fixing up those feeders for me, and he actually made two. And now I'm sanding down the wood so we can repurpose it, and this project is off our list. Changing the sandpaper is so easy. You just line up the circles. One board sanded, and 3 to go. And Jason's mowing. The sander's really cool. All the dust doesn't go all over the place. It just goes into this little bag. Unscrew it, dump it out, and screw it back on. Easy peasy. And here we go again. Second board is finished. Third board is finished. And the fourth is all finished. Beautiful. Rehydrating the blackberries didn't take long at all. And there's plenty more to go in the cabinet for later. Getting ready to sand another piece of wood for another project. Check out the patina on this old wood. That's a big bee. Look at the difference. Isn't that awesome? It's going to look so pretty.
I decided to pre-drill the hole so the wood wouldn't split on us. We are using 3/4 inch boards, so I decided to use 2-inch screws to fasten them to the herb garden.
Before. Perfect. So pretty.
We are firing the repurposed wood to bring the natural oils out so the board seals itself, and it enhances the look of the wood grain.
Love it.
So we have a resident snake.
A resident snake?
Yeah. I went down the stairs from the deck and it came out from underneath the deck and slithered along the back side of the house. So I watched her head up in that direction and up the side of the driveway and out into the front yard.
So like a garden snake?
Oh yeah.
Nothing like we have to worry about.
No.
Current situation, still burning.
Missed a spot.
Missed a spot. Doesn't it look pretty? So again, this is barn wood. That was the siding of our barn that we unfortunately had to knock down. Actually, 2 of them. And we sanded them down. This wood is from 1861, folks. I mean, yay. And number 2 is done. Beautiful patina. One project at a time. Repurposing all this beautiful wood. Now it's time to give the plants a little misting, and I'm going to have to close them back up into the greenhouse because here in New York State we're still having very windy, cold nights, so we haven't planted the garden yet, but soon. If you haven't already met Jason and I, P&J, here's a little trailer so you can see what we've been up to around here.